This is a G550 Mercedes truck. I'm going to go ahead and arm the factory alarm. Okay, what we did, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm because they already left the car in full bricks. It took the rims and tires, so he didn't want that to happen again. So what I did was I added the shock sensor incorporated to the Mercedes alarm, so that way he doesn't have to install another alarm in this car, which I don't recommend too much, because you want to keep everything OEM. And at the same token, most definitely he didn't want to carry an extra remote control around. That's probably the main crucial, the whole reason of doing this kit, because for sure he didn't want to have another remote control in the feature. If anybody walks up and bang on that one and try to take out the lug nut locks, that will fire off the alarm. This will protect your whole car from bumper to bumper, all the windows, everything. The shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.